Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will delve into why Lucid Motors is a real competitor of Tesla. Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution for years. With a market cap that dwarfs most other automakers and a strong brand presence, it might seem like Tesla has no competition. However, the rise of Lucid Motors, a California-based EV manufacturer, is beginning to make waves in the industry. In this video, we will explore why Tesla should take Lucid Motors seriously as a formidable competitor, examining Lucid's innovation, its luxury EV offerings, and its potential to disrupt the EV market. One of the key reasons why Tesla should fear Lucid Motors is the company's focus on innovation and cutting-edge technology. While Tesla has been a pioneer in the EV industry, Lucid Motors is not far behind. Lucid's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology is evident in its groundbreaking developments. Firstly, Lucid Motors is known for its impressive range capabilities. The Lucid Air, its flagship sedan, boasts an estimated range of up to 520 miles on a single charge, which rivals Tesla's top-performing Model S. This level of range, combined with Lucid's fast-charging capabilities, positions the company as a serious contender in the EV market. Secondly, Lucid Motors has made significant strides in battery technology. The company has developed its in-house battery technology called the Lucid Dream Drive, which offers high energy density and advanced thermal management. These innovations not only improve range but also enhance the overall performance and longevity of their EVs. Moreover, Lucid's approach to autonomous driving technology is noteworthy. The Lucid Dream Drive Pro system, designed for autonomous driving, showcases the company's commitment to the future of mobility. While Tesla's autopilot system is currently the industry standard, Lucid Motors has the potential to challenge this dominance with its innovative approach to self-driving technology. Another reason Tesla should fear Lucid Motors is the latter's focus on the luxury EV market. Tesla has had a stronghold in the premium EV segment, but Lucid Motors is poised to disrupt this dominance. Lucid Motors vehicles are positioned as luxury EVs, with a strong emphasis on design, comfort, and performance. The Lucid Air, for example, features a spacious and meticulously designed interior, complete with cutting-edge technology and high-quality materials. This positions Lucid Motors as a direct competitor to Tesla's Model S and Model X, both of which have dominated the luxury EV market. Furthermore, Lucid Motors' dedication to craftsmanship and attention to detail sets it apart. The company's manufacturing facility, known as the Lucid AMP-1 factory, is a testament to this commitment. It combines state-of-the-art technology with a focus on quality control, ensuring that each vehicle that rolls off the assembly line meets the highest standards of excellence. This level of quality can challenge Tesla's position in the luxury EV market, where discerning buyers are willing to pay a premium for superior design and craftsmanship. Lucid Motors' expansion plans also make it a formidable competitor in the EV industry. The company has been rapidly expanding its presence, not only in the United States but also globally. In terms of production capacity, Lucid Motors has demonstrated its ambition to compete with Tesla. The Lucid AMP-1 factory in Arizona has the potential to produce up to 365,000 vehicles annually once fully operational. This level of production capacity positions Lucid Motors to meet the growing demand for EVs, potentially challenging Tesla's production dominance. Moreover, Lucid Motors is looking beyond the U.S. market. The company has expressed its intentions to enter international markets, including Europe and Asia. This global expansion could significantly increase its market share and compete head-on with Tesla, which has already established a strong international presence. Additionally, Lucid Motors' strategic partnerships with various stakeholders, including suppliers and investors, further strengthen its position in the EV market. These partnerships provide the company with the resources and support needed to scale production and distribution effectively. Sustainability and brand appeal play a crucial role in the EV market, and Lucid Motors is capitalizing on these factors. Lucid Motors has placed a strong emphasis on sustainability throughout its operations. The company's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint extends beyond just manufacturing electric vehicles. It includes sustainable practices in the supply chain, energy-efficient manufacturing processes, and plans for renewable energy usage in its factories. This commitment to sustainability resonates with environmentally conscious consumers who are increasingly choosing EVs as a greener alternative. Furthermore, Lucid Motors' brand appeal is growing rapidly. The Lucid Air, with its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, has garnered significant attention and positive reviews. As more consumers recognize Lucid Motors as a viable luxury EV option, Tesla's market share could face a challenge. While Tesla remains a formidable force in the electric vehicle industry, Lucid Motors should not be underestimated. Lucid's commitment to innovation, luxury, global expansion, sustainability, and brand appeal positions it as a serious competitor to Tesla. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, Lucid Motors has the potential to disrupt Tesla's dominance and carve out a significant share of the market. Therefore, Tesla should keep a watchful eye on Lucid Motors and use this competition as motivation to continue pushing the boundaries of innovation in the EV industry. In doing so, both companies will drive each other to greater heights, ultimately benefiting consumers and accelerating the global transition to electric mobility.